and welcome back to Kali Group TV. In today's video, I'll be doing a short and brief introduction on Openshot video editor. Openshot video editor is a free software that you can use and edit your video. It supports lots of features and it's very easy and save time and highly recommended for beginners, those who are just starting or getting into video editing. So without further ado, check the link in the description to download it into your device. It supports Mac and Windows. Alright, so after downloading, the first thing you need to do is install. After installation, you now go to where you saved it and you open your Openshot video editor. Here is mine, and wait for it to load. The software is very light and very easy to use. So once you display this simple interface, the first thing you will notice is the three big screen. The darker one on the right is the video preview. The middle one is the project files, where you be all the videos, audios and photos you're editing, you place in there. And the other one on the left, this one is the properties, where you'll be editing your videos. It will help you edit them. We'll get into that as we go on, then you understand. So down on the bottom you see what is called track. So by default there are 5 tracks, but you can either add or remove by right clicking on them. The tracks is where you place your videos, audios and images and edit and work on them very well. So the first thing you need to do is to bring your files, the project you want to work on, into the Openshot, because as you open it at first time it's very empty. There is nothing, you can't work on anything unless you bring it. So you look at your top left corner, you see a green arrow, this arrow here. You use it and import files. You click on it and go where directly where you save yours, and you will bring it. So once it's there, if you want to bring another one, you still go here and bring. Alternatively, if you don't want to go there, you go where you save them here. Let's say you want to bring a picture. Let's say this logo, Kali Group logo. We want to bring it to the video. You now open your Openshot, open this one, minimize it. After minimizing, you now drag it. You see it's there already. And you can do the same thing with music. You can do the same thing with music. So it's more of which one that favors you, which one that is easier for you. But I recommend using this one because it's more straightforward and direct instead of dragging. So after you have all your files you want to work on here, then the first thing is to take them into track. Taking it into track according to how you want your video to be. At first, let's say you first bring the video here. This is the video file. Okay, it's there. You can now start working on it. So it's as you want. So let's say you want to reduce the size, or you want to reduce the length. The easiest way is to take your cursor to wherever you want to cut it from, then you drag it here. So that's the end. So if you don't want that old-fashioned way, you can still look here. There is a scissors here. So once you see the scissors, this razor tool, it's called razor tool, look like scissors. Just click on it, then take the cursor anywhere you want to cut. Now click. The video has already split. So what you need to do is you drop your cut tool, click on the one you don't want to use, and right click, remove clip. It's still the same thing. So let's say we brought a logo, so you want to bring the logo into the video. You see now the logo is not there, but you want to bring the logo. So first thing you need to do now is to add the image file. So one thing you need to be conscious is now our video now is in track 5. So if we bring this logo on track 4, is going to be behind the video, so it won't show on the screen. So what we are going to do now is we're going to add track above. Then we'll now bring our logo. So if you notice now, the logo is covering all the video, so you cannot see. So that is when this left one comes in. You now drag it to what? You now scroll down. That is the properties. Then you look at scale X, scale Y. Scale X is basically talking about the wideness of it. So you can just write numbers or just click, hold and drag as you want it. Then scale Y is the height. You can make the height as you want. Remember, this is a logo. So let's say this size is okay for us now, or is still a little too big. We can make it square if we want. Yeah, something like that. All right. So for the purpose of this video or any project you not want to put your logo right in the center there. So what you do is you go to location. After the scale upward, you see location. You see location X, location Y. Again, location X is dealing with the side. You now click, double click and hold, and now move it to where you want. Or if you already know the number, you can just write here, come here and write 40. You see, if you take it, it's after there. So the best way to do is just to open it and place it anywhere you want to do. So let's say I want our logo to be there. So you see, it's there. So let's say we want the logo to appear throughout the video, because as you're seeing, as the video is going, the logo suddenly disappears. So now what you need to do is you now drag it and put it on the same line with the video. You see, the logo will be there from the beginning of the video till the end of the video. So the other thing we have here is the sound. The sound is doesn't really matter where you put it, because it's just the audio. So you move it to track 4. I recommend track 4 because that's where I get the most sound I want. Then you bring in the audio you want to use to track 4. Again, you may want to cut it because it's too long. So let's say I want to cut it. Use your razor tool, then remove the clip from the ones you don't want to use. Then take this one to the start of the video. You can put it to the start of the video. You can see it has moved to track 3. You remove track 4, it's still the same thing. Okay, it's longer than the video. You don't take it. So now let's say you want to reduce the music, the audio should be background sound. You still come back to your properties here. That is when you scroll down to volume. You now drag and place the volume as you want. As you are doing it, you're also playing. You are playing and comparing. Is that what you want? It's not okay. If this one you want to silence it, you can still come back here and take it to 0. So if you play this video now, can you hear? The real audio is gone. It's not the music that is playing. So you have successfully edited this video for now. I hope you guys got that. So after you are done working with your video, for the purpose of this video, is just the first introduction, so I won't go further into it. You know, long videos are usually bored, so I will end here. So let's say you are done working. But don't get me wrong, I'll still drop another video very soon. So subscribe and use the bell icon so that you get it when I upload it, on how to use other features other features like scale, like track, any all these features you see here. We will be using them in our next videos subsequently, step by step. File, edit, title, view, help, we use all of them. The effect and transition, I'll show you how to place them one after the other. So but for this video was just basically an introduction. So let's say you are done working on this video, so you can't just leave it here. You need to save it in your computer so that you can upload it or watch it or do whatever you want to do it. The first thing you need to do now is you now go to your top left. You see this red cycle here. It is export. You click on it to export the video. Then the first one is the file name. Let's say Kali Group. So after you write Kali Group, you now the next one, the second one is where you want to save it. Or where should we save it? Let's say desktop. Select desktop, select folder. The next one is format. Which format do you want to save it? Web, device, DVD, or what? Okay, for this one you can save web. Then you can, the next one you select which way you want to upload your video. Just say YouTube HD or whatever you want. Then when you are done arranging the there's also advanced settings, but this one you should just leave it as it is now, because the settings are usually okay, but at the end when you are doing some professional videos you will require to edit this. So as we go on our tutorial we will use all these settings here. So but for now, for this purpose, let's just keep on the simple one. Then after you are done setting, writing the name, selecting the location, just click export. So once you click export, it will start loading from 0 to 100 as you're seeing. You just wait for it, give it a little time. You just give it a little time to reach 100. It might take longer depending on the length of your video you are doing and the speed of your system. Yes, now it's up to 100%. You can see it has turned to green. Then what you can do here the most is just click done to get off the screen. Then let's go back. You close this Openshot now. You close it. If you want to save it and continue editing later, you can say yes. If you don't want to save it, like I don't want to save it, you click no and just move on. So you go back to your the way you saved it. I saved it. Look at it here, Kali Group. It is here. This is the video we just did. So it's 18 MB. You can open it. You can open it and watch. So our logo is here. The sound is gone and the music is playing as we wanted exactly. But in case you want to upload it, you can still upload it from here to any other social media you want to do. So guys, that will be all for today.